The Venture truck has been leading the charge on the trail for a minute or so now. And now it's time for something massively bigger. Wait, I mean a lot smaller. Yes, this is the Venture18. It's a 1/18 scale, fun-sized, yet fully featured scale trail truck in an HPI Venture-shaped package. The Venture18 features an officially licensed, fully detailed vintage Toyota Hilux SR5 body, complete with double rollover hoops, tube-style front and rear bumpers, and scale accessories like windshield wipers, side mirrors, and more. A lot more. The Venture18 is available in 2 different colors, and with 2 different motors. Underneath the replica Toyota Hilux SR5 body, you can see it's got formed steel C-channel chassis rails, a central 2-speed transmission, solid front and rear axles, and oil-filled coilover shocks. A brand new 6-channel steering wheel transmitter controls the Venture18 and is packed with great features to make driving this tiny trail titan super easy. An optional thumb lever is included for easy one-handed driving. The Venture18 features a user-selectable 2-speed transmission for low-speed grunt over the rough stuff, as well as faster trail driving. And the super soft HPI Rockthorn tires grip on anything from rocks to roots and everything in between. Just look at the detail on those 1.2-inch chrome beadlock wheels. And if you're having that much fun out on the trail when the sun goes down sooner than you expect, just switch the lights on. There are 5 different light modes that you can cycle through by pressing the Channel 3 button on the transmitter. The 2-speed transmission features a complete set of metal gears to help it withstand all the harshest conditions. The full-time 4-wheel drive drivetrain features sliding center counter-rotating drive shafts to make sure power is delivered equally to the front and rear differentials without torque twist. The Venture18 features front and rear solid-style axles for scale realism and sturdiness. The front wheels can turn up to 45 degrees for maximum maneuverability, and both axles are fitted with metal locked differentials for extra toughness and traction. The suspension linkage is pulled straight from the best-performing full-size trucks, with a double triangulated 4-link suspension front and rear. These coilover shocks feature super long springs and are oil-filled too, helping the Venture18 handle great when the going gets tough. With a 600 mAh 7.4-volt lithium polymer battery and USB charger included, the Venture18 is ready to drive whenever and wherever you want to hit the trail. There's 2 different motor options to choose from. Just getting into crawling, the brushed version is fitted with a 180 size 55-turn motor for loads of fun to make it a great RC trail vehicle. If you're looking for a bit more performance, like extra torque for low-end pulling power, plus better low-speed throttle control, the brushless version is for you. It's fitted with a 3450 kV Outrunner motor and HPI Flux speed controller, plus a higher spec steering servo. That instantly recognizable pickup is an officially licensed replica of the classic 1985 Toyota Hilux SR5 body, molded in tough polycarbonate plastic for a long life on the trail. As you can see, the Venture18 is available in bright red or extra shiny black, so of course you and a friend can get a pair to hit the trail together. No matter which version you get, the Venture18 is the perfect size for scaling or crawling in your garden, garage, or on any outdoor trail.